A sneeze feels random, but it is actually a powerful protective reflex. Sneezing happens when nerves inside the nose detect irritation. This can come from dust, pollen, germs, strong smells, or cold air. Once those nerves are triggered, they send a fast signal to the brain. The brain responds instantly by activating many muscles at once. Chest, throat, mouth, and nose all work together to force air out. That sudden burst can travel over 100 miles per hour. Its job is to clear irritants before they reach the lungs. Sneezes feel sudden because the reflex bypasses conscious control. The body acts first, awareness comes second. Bright light can also trigger sneezing in some people. This happens because eye nerves cross with nasal nerves in the brain. Sneezing is not weakness. It is your immune and nervous systems reacting fast to protect you.